Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to Real Living, and welcome if you're new. My name's Ashley, and today's video we are doing an all-day clean. I had a crazy busy week, so I really wasn't able to have a lot of time to get anything done around the house. So I did have one day where I was free and I was able to try to get as much done as possible. So come along with me and let's get motivated. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
So it was another crazy week. There was a ton of stuff that I ended up having to get done this week. So I really didn't have a lot of time at the house to really get anything done. I did, however, have one day where I didn't have to leave. I didn't really have to do anything, so I was able to focus all of my attention on trying to get as much done in the house as possible. Unfortunately, I do have a time constraint, even on the days where I don't have to go anywhere or do anything, because I do still take the kids to the bus stop. And then about 3 o'clock, I had to go and pick them up. So I do have kind of a time crunch as to when I can get a lot of my stuff done. So I just focused on getting as much done in one day as possible. So I spent the whole day cleaning. When the kids get home, I tend to not really clean as much. I try to be available if they need me for homework or anything like that. So I try not to get too involved in anything, just in case they need me or I've got to cook dinner or whatever the case may be. So definitely a crazy week, but at least on this one day, I was able to get 3 of the main rooms done and fully cleaned and ready to go. So definitely a lot this week, but when it comes to the video, unfortunately not so much, because I had to kind of plan around everything else.
What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others.
So the bathroom was a really easy clean. So after I got that done, I was able to move into the living room. I was trying to work my way out of the house and try to get it all done so that the floors and stuff like that could dry when I leave to go pick the kids up from the bus stop. So I started in the bathroom and then I worked my way out and finished in the living room, got the hallway done and the little walk-in den entryway. So it wasn't too much cleaning. It was a lot of tidying, and I definitely had to take care of the floors because the floors hadn't been done in a couple days because there was just so much going on. So yeah, starting in the bathroom and then moving into this living room, getting some towels folded and put away, get the couches all put back together because I was able to wash everything. So putting clean sheets on the couches and the blanket on the chair, and then taking care of the floors, just giving everything a really quick wipe down, nothing too major.
Kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
And then the final room I was able to get done before I left to go pick the kids up from the bus stop was the dining room porch area. So this is the main entrance to the house, so it gets built up very, very quickly, and lots of dirt is always all over the floor and the rug, and I needed to shake out the entryway rug and just kind of give everything a quick wipe down. But this was the last room I was able to get to. Luckily, the kitchen didn't really need a lot, so I didn't really have to clean that day. But the rest of the house, I was really glad that I was able to focus all of my energy and get everything cleaned. Thankfully, the bedrooms had just been done, so I didn't have to touch those. And then, like I said, the kitchen was pretty well taken care of already, so I didn't have to do that either. But, yeah, spending all day cleaning this house, it can be overwhelming sometimes. So I was very, very happy to be able to have the time to get it done this day.
Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like place whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am sorry that it is a shorter video, probably one of the shorter ones on my channel. But there was, like I said, repeatedly throughout this video, there was a ton of stuff going on this week. So thankfully, I was able to get some stuff done around the house. And I know that the weather is starting to improve a little bit, and I am going to be able to start getting some spring cleaning stuff done. And I've got the grill to clean, I've got some vehicles to clean, I've got a yard to mow, and there's just a lot going on. So hopefully we are going to have lots of different content coming up so that you guys don't get bored. But I really appreciate you for picking this video to help get you motivated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Like, share this video. It so helps out my channel. I appreciate all of you guys, and I can't wait to see you next week. We are going to be starting on the spring cleaning. I am so excited about that. So I hope you all tune in for that. And if you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, you will not miss a video. So go ahead and do that, and I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching.